Hey, welcome to HiKears. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change the origin point of an object in Blender. Like always, I will have my screencast keys enabled at the bottom left, so if I do anything on my keyboard or mouse, it will show up over there, at the bottom left. With that being said, let's get into the video. To change the origin point of an object in Blender, it's really simple. The origin point is this little orange dot. Hold up. Yeah, this orange dot over here, by the way, just so you know. It's really important. So to change the the origin, all you'd have to do is right-click the object, go down on this little menu to set origin, and then you could either set the origin to the 3D cursor, which is this little red thing. Or you can set it to the center of a mass, the surface, or the mass surface, or the center of mass volume. I don't really know what these two do, so I'm not going to go over them that much, but these are the main three you want to use. Now, why you'd want to use this is it's really inconvenient if you have your origin in the wrong spot. Let's say I'm trying to rotate this cube. Okay, so I'm trying to do a rotation. You see, because the origin is here, the cube is kind of orbiting the origin instead of actually rotating. Now, let's say if I move the origin to the center of mass, the center of the cube, now it's actually rotating instead of orbiting like it was earlier. Now, if this video tutorial was useful to you in any sort of way, make sure you like and subscribe. With that being said, bye!